Part-time weekend ranch.
Morning. Part-time weekend rancher back at it. It's a beautiful morning. Sun's coming up. You can see Jen mowed the other side, or what we refer to as RRR2. Looks really good. That's the burn pile. I'm starting to clear the fence line there. And it's going to try to move the excavator so she could mow, but it would not turn on. So she had to do a couple of swaths around it. I'm going to go check the batteries, try to turn it on, and it threw a battery warning. So I got my volt gauge or voltmeter, whatever it's called. Going to open up the side panel. It should have 2 batteries. I'm going to test them, see if they have charge, if I need to replace them. So that's the first thing on this agenda. And then try to clean up the fence line a little bit more. Do a couple of other odds and ends. But always something out here. We'll see where the kids are. I think they're at Grandma and Grandpa's right now. It's a little corroded, but you got 2 batteries right here. The wires look good. Doesn't look like the mice have gotten to it. Let me see if I can take these 2 plates off that sort of hold them in place, and see if I can test the terminals and what voltage we're getting. Trying to see if you can see how old these batteries are. They should have a date punched out on them, but all right, where are we at? Let's reset. And it's 11.57 volts on that battery. .57 and 24 total. So I don't know if it's a battery issue. So I'm hoping you can hear the sound. That's the sound. It's on, but it doesn't want to turn. So I brought the truck over. I'm not convinced the batteries aren't bad. So I brought the truck over along with Jennifer. And I'm going to try to hook it up to the batteries really quick. Try to jump it. If I can jump it, that means the batteries need to be replaced, which is a easier fix. Hopefully less expensive too.
Alright, JC hooked up the battery charger to the truck. Black first, then red. Now black.
So these actually has 2 reds. They're interconnected.
Oh.
The batteries are interconnected.
Okay.
But you still have a ground and then a hot. And then the 2 hots are interconnected here. But you still have a whole circuit.
So does it matter which one you connect it to?
That one.
You have to connect it to the one on the end of the circuit.
Yeah, because if not, then you're just
charging that one. Okay, that makes sense.
At least that's what I think. So it's got spark, which is good.
Okay.
Let me turn on the truck.
Okay. Turn on the excavator now to see if it starts. Watching out for snakes. The batteries need to be replaced. Yeah, I would agree.
I used the voltmeter, and it was showing
well, now we know. One, the F350 truck can jump the truck, the excavator, and two, the batteries need to be replaced. It is early September. As you can see, the RM43 has done a pretty good job of keeping down the weeds. So JC's just decided he wants to mow or weed whack right along the fence line where the mower can't get, and any big weeds on the back side. There's really not a whole lot. The cows keep it down on the inside, and we mow with the lawnmower on the outside. But every once in a while there'll be these little tiny weeds that pop up. The crabgrass seems to grow over, and some of the thistles will grow forward. As you can see, the crabgrass is reaching over, but for the most part the RM43 is keeping the weeds down. So him doing this once a year is way better than doing it 4 or 5 times a year like we would normally mow the lawn. So he's okay with doing it once. He likes keeping it nice and clean. Makes a really pretty fence line. All right, off to go feed the cows. They are waiting for us. Oh, they see us. They hear the gator.
As Joshua says, the riders of Rohan are approaching.
Oh, they've almost taken out that salt lick altogether. High five. Whoa, shit ton.
Woo.
Whoa.
Another great weekend out here at Ruckers Run Ranch. Part-time weekend rancher. Until next time, keep fighting time and Mother Nature.